You're watching how Leap lets copy files from iCloud to your iPhone's local storage. Open the Files app on your iPhone, tap Browse at the bottom, under Locations, tap iCloud Drive, navigate to the file or folder you want to copy, press and hold on the item until a menu appears, select Copy, then go back to the Browse tab and under Locations, tap on My iPhone. Navigate to the specific folder where you want to place the file or create a new folder by tapping the three dots. Tap and hold on an empty area in that folder and select Paste. The file is now copied from iCloud to your iPhone's local storage. To check, go to On My iPhone in the Files app. The file should be there and accessible even without an internet connection. For multiple files, tap Select in the top right while in iCloud Drive, choose your files, tap the three dots at the bottom, select Copy, navigate to On My iPhone, and paste. For more simple computer tutorials, subscribe to the channel.